All right, here's another example. Given R, S, and T are midpoints of the sides of triangle ABC, complete the following table. So R is the midpoint of AB, so that means A is parallel to B by definition of midpoint. S is the midpoint of BC, so that means that BS is congruent to SC by definition of midpoint. And T is the midpoint of AC, which by definition of midpoint means that AT is congruent to TC, right? So we know those values are there, and so that means that TS is a midsegment, right? RS is also a midsegment, and RT is a midsegment, since those are all midpoints there, right? And segments that are connected by midpoints. So now we have this table. So each of these rows is a different scenario, right? So let's start with the first row. So here AB is 12, right? I'll have to erase some of this stuff here in a minute. So AB is 12, and BC is 14, AC is 18. Okay, so then that means that each of the midsegments will be half of its the side that it's not connected to, right? So RS is not connected to AC, and so it's half of that, so it'll be 9. RT is half of BC, which is BC is 14, so RT will be 7. And then ST is half of AB, or half of 12, which is 6. Okay, so we can put all those values in here. So let's see. 9, 7, and 6, right? Okay. All right. So let's see if we can do this actually without erasing these. So we know that ST is half of AB, right? So if ST is 10, that means AB must be, that's right, 20, right? Because ST is half of AB, so that means AB is double ST. All right, so here we have BC is 15. We know RT is going to be half of that, so that means it's going to be 7.5, okay? All right, because BC is double RT, or RT is half of BC. Okay, and then next, SR is half of AC, right? SR is half of AC, and so half of 22 is 11. Okay, all right, let's do the same thing with these last ones. So AB is 10, so that means ST is going to be half of that, which is 5, right? In order to find BC, we know RT is half of it, and so that means BC must be double what RT is, which is 18. So 9 doubled is 18. And then SR is half of AC, so AC must be double what SR is. So double 7.8 is going to be 15.6. All right.